Hello friends, this is my second part of my Angular tutorials video series. In this video, I will show you how to install the Angular on your machine and create an Angular app. To install Angular on your machine, we require Node.js and Node Package Manager. If you didn't see my previous video, request you to please watch the same. To proceed to install the Angular on your machine, open your command prompt. Angular is a TypeScript-based open-source front-end web application platform led by Angular team at the Google and by community of the individuals and corporation. Angular command line interface is a tool which help you to scaffold and build Angular app using modules. It also handles all common tedious tasks for you. So let's install. To install the same, open your command prompt and type npm space install hyphen g stands for global at the rate angular slash CLI and press enter. As I have already installed on my machine, I am not to entering it. After you installing the Angular CLI on your machine, you need to install a TypeScript. TypeScript is a superset of the JavaScript. We will learn more in our future video on the same. To install a TypeScript, press the following command npm I for install -g for global TypeScript. So I already have, as I said, I already have the TypeScript, so I'm not performing the action. To check whether our installation is done perfectly, type the following command ng space hyphen version. This commands will inform us okay, which kind of whether we have already installed Angular properly or not. Your screen will be look similar kind of like this. After performing this action, which tells you the Angular version, CLI version 7.3.9, mode 12.4.0, and TypeScript 3.2.4. If you see this screen, we are ready to install or create our new Angular app on our machine. To create a new Angular app, you need to write a command on your command prompt ng for Angular space new space hello world. Once you write this command and press enter, it will install all the required software which is needed to create the application. Go to your directory where you created your folder hello world. So I have created in my Angular app folder, so I'm going to inside that. Then to run our application, type ng angular serve -o. This will open a browser for you and run applications. After pressing the enter, your screen will be somewhere look like this. It will open automatically browser for you. If it won't, then open your browser and type http localhost 4200. So this is our port where our application is host, and your screen will look like exactly like this. And that's it for our video. Thank you for watching this. If you like this video, please say thumbs up. Bye.